Elevate your English, understanding formal vocabulary. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into an exciting and important topic: the characteristics of formal vocabulary. Understanding the difference between formal and informal vocabulary is essential, especially in professional and academic settings. In this video, we'll focus on what makes formal vocabulary unique, and how you can use it to make your writing more polished and precise. Formal vocabulary refers to words and expressions used in serious or professional contexts. It's the language you'll find in business emails, academic papers, legal documents, and more. Unlike informal vocabulary, formal vocabulary adheres to strict grammatical rules and often uses more complex words and structures. Important characteristics include precision, using exact and clear words; complexity, often using longer words and more complex sentences; politeness, language is respectful and avoids slang or colloquialisms; objectivity, emphasizes facts and logic rather than personal feelings. Let's look at some examples to illustrate the difference between formal and informal language. Informal: I'm gonna check this out. Formal: I will examine this further. Informal: it's cool, don't worry about it. Formal: it is acceptable. There is no need for concern. Notice how the formal versions are more precise and avoid slang. Knowing when to use formal vocabulary is just as important as knowing what it is. Use formal language in professional communication, such as emails, reports, and presentations; academic writing, essays, research papers, and dissertations; legal and official documents, contracts, government papers, etc. Formal occasions, such as speeches at weddings or ceremonies. Here are some tips to help you incorporate formal vocabulary into your writing. Avoid contractions. Use do not instead of don't, I am instead of I'm, etc. Choose precise words. Instead of get, you might use obtain or acquire. Follow grammatical rules. Pay attention to sentence structure, punctuation, and grammar. Read widely. Exposure to formal texts can help you absorb the style naturally. Understanding and mastering formal vocabulary is a valuable skill that can enhance your communication in various professional and academic settings. I hope this video has shed some light on the characteristics of formal vocabulary and how to use it effectively. Keep practicing, and you'll surely elevate your English to the next level. Happy learning!